Hello and welcome to Box, where we unbox, review and demonstrate all the latest tech. Today we're taking a look at the TP-Link Deco XE75 Pro. It's a mesh system that aims to work seamlessly to widen your Wi-Fi's reach throughout your home, making dead zones and weak connections a thing of the past. Before diving into the specs though, it's clear that with the term Deco in its name, TP-Link have designed these units to fit seamlessly within the home. Their small stature and neat cylindrical shape almost give them the appearance of an oil diffuser or portable speaker, and their neutral white and black colour scheme keeps them from sticking out too much when sat on a shelf or tabletop. Available as a 1, 2 or 3 pack, these units come stacked with features. Each unit helps to extend your Wi-Fi coverage, but with all 3 units set up in your home, TP-Link says you can cover up to a whopping 7,200 square feet. When opting for the 2 or 3 pack, the Deco units work together to form one unified network within your home. This means that your phone or tablet should automatically connect to the fastest or nearest Deco as you move through your home. Also, these TP-Link units cover the latest frequency of Wi-Fi with 6E coverage and a 6 GHz band, and with Wi-Fi 6E more than doubling the available spectrum, it should mean no more competition over the airwaves when living in a shared space. This also means that as devices catch up to the Wi-Fi standards, this mesh system will be future-proof. The 6 GHz band also delivers a powerful dedicated backhaul to streamline the Wi-Fi performance of non-6E devices, so all devices connected to the Wi-Fi network should feel the benefits. Another element that really ties these units together is the fact that they come armed with AI mesh technology. What this means is the Deco units automatically learn and improve themselves from experience by noticing network usage patterns around the house and what times the biggest strains on the network are. The units also have self-healing technology, meaning if one Deco has an issue, the system will automatically reroute data via the other Decos to make sure you stay online. Ultimately, this should provide the ideal mesh Wi-Fi unique to your home and network environment. To make setting up the Deco units easier, TP-Link has created a dedicated app that lets you set up, manage, and monitor your Deco mesh Wi-Fi system all through your phone. Amongst many things, you can use it to check the status of the network, prioritize certain devices, and also enable a vast array of parental controls to keep the kids safe online. For those wanting an even stronger and more stable internet connection, each Deco unit also comes with 3 Ethernet ports located on the back. This is great news for PC gamers who prioritize stable connections to reduce ping and in-game lag, both with their own sanity and their teammates. The XE75 Pro version, like we have here, comes with a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for even faster connections. Overall, this TP-Link Deco mesh Wi-Fi system is very impressive and boasts an incredible array of features and technology to make being online at home a much more pleasant experience. Whether you have one Deco unit or all 3, the benefits the technology provides seem like a no-brainer. So what are your thoughts on the TP-Link Deco XE75 Pro range? Let us know down below in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.